Throughout history, civilizations have risen on water resources, on the shores of the Nile River and fresh lakes. With the great need of expansion, ancient Egyptians had developed numerous solutions for storing and distributing drinkable water. On that basis, they dug water canals and created various ways to facilitate pure drinkable water and other for irrigation. Even though 70% of the planet consists of water, the constant, continuous increase in population led to a decrease in available drinking water resources. So human beings continued to research and develop more advanced water storage and distributing processes. EGIC had first introduced polypropylene water solutions to the Egyptian market with superior German quality and efficiency and endurance, and in accordance with global specifications. EGIC has transformed the Egyptian market infrastructure for water supply solution, from rigid metal pipes to polypropylene ones. EGIC was established in 1991 to market Benninger trademark. As expansion and development increased, EGIC moved from importing to local manufacturing to exporting to more than 50 countries around the world. This has increased EGIC's competitiveness and made it a leading company in Egypt and the Middle East, and one of the largest exporters around the world. EGIC has taken the lead in introducing complete home solutions for water supply and drainage solutions. EGIC became a trendsetter and market leader of the plumbing industry in the Egyptian market, starting with the water supply solutions from polypropylene under the German brand Benninger, and the push-to-fit drainage solutions under the brand Kessel, and PVC drain solutions under the Smart Home brand. These trademarks have given EGIC the leadership in the Middle East and Africa. In addition, EGIC has taken an expansive approach since the foundation, and as a result, EGIC now owns 3 top-class industrial complexes. Beni Suef Manufacturing Facility, which is considered one of the largest factories in the Middle East, and that is fully equipped with superior German technology in manufacturing water supply solutions from polypropylene substance, BR. Beni Suef Factory is also distinctive with an essential production facility for producing copper threads through advanced Swiss foundry technology unique in the Middle East. The foundry of Beni Suef has 8 integrated production processes, which are casting, injection, hot forging, die casting, CNC, polishing, electroplating, assembly. The factory is distinctive by having the largest and latest copper foundry in the Middle East and Africa, with Swiss technology. It specializes in the production of bronze alloy of 86% copper and brass alloy with 58% copper. The first casting step is to pour the molten metals into a mold cavity. The molten material then cools until it solidifies into ingots. In EGIC, we produce a volume of 12 to 15 tons per day. The solid ingots are then transferred to the continuous casting process and remelted at high temperatures up to 1250 degrees Celsius to produce solid and hollow bars. Hollow bars are cut and transferred to the CNC machines. Where 33 pins are formed in each piece at 45 degrees to achieve the highest cohesion with polypropylene in injection machines. With a production capacity of 1 piece every 2 seconds and a total production rate of 7,000 pieces per hour. These inserts are then transferred through state-of-the-art injection machines, passing through the polypropylene injection stage. The facility also has a manufacturing and maintenance workshop for molds, with the latest technology to ensure the highest quality. Solid bars are transferred to the hot forging department to pass through several operations. The bar is cut according to its diameter and transferred to the oven for heating. The pieces are hammered using the hot forge press machine to form the initial product. This initial product is directed to the trimming machine to remove the flash. products are directed to sandblasting stage to give its golden color. Simultaneously with these processes, the injection and formation stages. The Zemic 5 is used in the die casting department without any additives to ensure the highest quality. The Zemic 5 alloy is heated to reach the melting point and then injected into molds according to the required product to form valve handles and accessories. Then the products are moved to the CNC process, where pieces of copper and Zemic take their final form. EGIC distinctively is equipped with giant CNC machines and advanced inspection robots with an error rate of 0%. Then the surface of all the parts is polished and prepared for the electroplating process. The pieces are moved to the automatic electroplating line, which consists of 80 stages according to international specifications and using the best German chemicals with layers of copper, nickel, and chromium. The quality of the coating is monitored by quality control laboratories for the electroplating line to ensure that it is resistant to weathering and conforms to the highest quality specifications. After that, the pieces are transferred to the assembly process, where the valves are fully assembled with automatic assembly machines and tested on pressure devices on the assembly line, in addition to laboratory tests. In the assembly section, the ball valves Banninger, which are up to the European and British standards, are then assembled. Banninger ball valves include a copper ball coated with nickel chrome and controlled by the finest types of gaskets with stainless steel handle and a working pressure of up to 25 bar. Angle valves, washing machine valve, and all nickel-plated products which are assembled and tested by the brand Smart Home are manufactured from the finest raw materials conforming to international standards to ensure the highest control of water supply, withstand temperatures of up to 95 degrees Celsius. The factory has a section for braiding and assembly with flexible hoses, which is made of 24 slides, and every slide is made of 7 stainless steel threads with a reverse braided to produce highly efficient flexible hoses which can withstand pressures and temperatures up to 10 bar and 90 degrees Celsius. Each produced piece is tested with a pressurized air, in addition to other laboratory tests. All raw material waste is recycled in new manufacturing processes. Up to 95% of coolant fluents are recycled in production processes. The store also includes a giant electronic high rack to facilitate the searching and arranging and saving time and effort for workers. Quality is an essential product for EGIC. Therefore, the company continues to develop depending on the latest German technology in manufacturing to ensure the highest quality of production that is capable to compete in the global markets, which preserve its leadership in the local market, the Middle East, and Africa. All manufacturing processes include more one quality control process, amounting to 1,176 inspection processes within the factory, distributed over all production processes, starting from materials, quality, and conformity, checks to assembly and efficiency tests, which last up to 1,000 continuous hours per one piece. Benny Swift manufacturing facility is environmentally friendly and under AquaSense with all health and occupational health and safety requirements. A huge air filter unit was established to ensure the purity of air from smokes or any polluting materials. Also, a water treatment unit was established before disposal to ensure that there are no pollutants or chemicals in the drainage. Quality has always been associated with EGIC. With the quality of EGIC, we think of tomorrow.